Hello everyone, we are Team Hackhounds and today we are presenting EchoLink, humanity's emergency communication network. To demonstrate the importance of resilient communication systems, we created a unique disaster simulation scenario. Imagine an alien attack triggering a massive electromagnetic pulse or EMP. This EMP disables satellite communication towers, internet infrastructure, and traditional communication systems, leaving communities disconnected during a critical emergency. While this scenario is fictional, it reflects real world situations such as earthquakes, floods, cyclones, wildfires, cyber attacks, and large scale power outages, where communication infrastructure can become unreliable or completely unavailable. During such emergencies, people need a reliable way to communicate, request help, coordinate rescue efforts, and share important information. However, traditional communication systems often become overwhelmed or inaccessible when they are needed the most. This challenge inspired us to build EcoLink. Now, I would like to hand over to Ayush, who will explain our solution.
Thank you, Vansh. EchoLink is a real-time emergency communication platform designed to help people stay connected during the crisis situations. Our platform acts as a centralized communication hub where users can instantly communicate with one another, broadcast emergency alerts, share locations, exchange critical resources, and coordinate response efforts through a single dashboard. In our simulated alien EMP scenario, survivors can use EchoLink to reconnect and collaborate when conventional communication systems have failed. The primary goal of EchoLink is to ensure that communication remains fast, organized, and accessible during emergencies, allowing community and responders to work together more effectively. Now, let's talk about the core features of our platform.
Our first feature is real-time communication. The foundation of EcoLink is real-time communication. Users can instantly exchange messages with other connected users through a live communication network. This enables quick information sharing and helps people coordinate actions without delays during emergency situations.
Now, I will explain the second feature, which is emergency SOS broadcast. One of our most critical features of EchoLink is the emergency SOS broadcast system. With a single click, users can send an emergency alert to every connected participant. This allows distress signal to be delivered immediately, helping nearby responders or community members to react quickly.
Our third feature is the live location sharing. Locating affected individual is often one of the biggest challenges during disasters. To solve this problem, EcoLink allows users to share their live geographical location. This helps rescue teams and nearby volunteers identify where assistance is needed and respond more efficiently.
Now, let's talk about fourth feature, which is interactive disaster map. All shared locations are displayed on an interactive disaster map. This visualization provides a real-time overview of affected areas and help users understand the distribution of people, emergency requests, and active location across the network.
Our fifth feature is voice messaging. In emergency situations, typing may not always be practical. EcoLink includes voice messaging functionality, allowing users to record and send audio updates quickly. This makes communication faster and more accessible during stressful conditions.
Now, the sixth feature, which is file sharing. Emergency response often requires sharing important documents and resources. Users can exchange images, medical reports, evacuation maps, relief camp information, and other critical files directly through the platform, improving information accessibility during emergencies.
Our seventh feature is network monitoring and statistics. To improve situational awareness, EcoLink provides real-time network statistics. Users can monitor connected nodes, communication activity, location sharing events, emergency broadcast, and overall network status, giving them valuable insights into the health of the communication network. Now, talking about the technology stack, to build EcoLink, we used a modern web technology stack. For the front end, we used HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to create a responsive and user friendly interface. For backend development and server side communication, we used Node.js and Express.js. Real time communication between users was implemented using Socket.io, enabling instant message delivery and live network updates. For location visualization and mapping, we integrated Leaflet.js along with OpenStreetMap to provide interactive disaster mapping capabilities. Now, talking about the team collaboration, As the team leader, I was responsible for overall project planning, architecture design, features integration, and coordinating development activities across the team.
As the backend developer, I work on server-side functionality, socket.io integration, real-time communication handling, event management, and backend feature implementations.
As a front-end developer and UI UX designer, I focused on dashboard design, user experience, interface development, responsiveness, and ensuring that the platform remained simple and intuitive during the emergency situations. Now the conclusion. EchoLink demonstrates how modern web technologies can be used to build an effective emergency communication platform. Although our project uses an alien EMP attack as a simulation scenario, the underlying challenge is very real. Communities around the world frequently face situations where communication becomes difficult precisely when it is needed the most. By combining real-time messaging, emergency alerts, location sharing, voice communication, file exchange, and disaster mapping, EcoLink helps people stay connected, informed, and coordinated during critical situations. Through this project, we explored real-time systems, collaborative development, and disaster response technology while creating a practical solution for emergency communication. Thank you for watching our presentation.